Dear students, in last few lectures, you have been taught auxiliary views and auxiliary planes by Professor Jitendra Patil. I think you would have understood very well the auxiliary planes and auxiliary solids. Now myself, Professor Vaise from HOD Mechanical. Today, I would like to teach you the penetration and intersection of solids. This is the next chapter in your curriculum of mechanical machine drawing. Now, what is meant by penetration or intersections of solid? I would like to give a very simple example in front of you. You are always playing with this compass, isn't it? Everybody is having this compass as this is the essential component or part while drawing any type of drawing. Now, you are very well trained in the first year with this tool. Now, I am going to explain you what is meant by penetration or intersection. Penetration is nothing but one solid is penetrated in another. That is simple. If you see the compass, wherein this pencil goes through the compass, isn't it? Now, while going through the compass, it will remove the material. The compass having a vertical cylinder type of arrangement, and when you penetrate this pencil into the vertical cylinder, it will obviously cut the portion of the vertical cylinder, isn't it? See again. See, when you observe this vertical cylinder, which is with the compass, and I am penetrating this pencil through this so that I can draw a circle or any drawing. Now, if you observe the front view of vertical cylinder, which is penetrated by a horizontal pencil, then front view occurs to be a curved lines. Intersection lines are curved lines like this. I will draw it in a very rough manner, being like this, isn't it? And pencil is gone through this, isn't it? Like this. This is a very rough view. So these curves are nothing but intersection of solid. I have considered here two solids. One is the vertical cylinder, another is pencil, which is horizontal cylinder, and horizontal cylinder penetrates or having intersection with the vertical cylinder. And the curve of intersection would be like this, the curve like this. Now, this is the brief introduction about the what is meant by intersection of solid and penetration. But here you can observe one thing: what is going to be penetrated or what is going to be cut. Even though the inside material is being removed, I will have to observe the surface of the solid. And if I observe the surface of the solid, the surface of the vertical cylinder is being cut like this. Vertical cylinder third surface is being cut like this in the front view. So what is cut? That is surface which is curved of the vertical cylinder, that is being cut by the or penetrated by the horizontal cylinder, which is pencil. Now this is called as intersection of solid. Actually, the name should be intersection of the solid by the or over the surfaces, and so on. The surface is being removed out. Here, cylinder having a curved surface, that is being removed out. Now, for learning the penetration or the intersection of solid, some concepts are being involved. That is nothing but I will have to locate the point on the surfaces, and that points are to be projected in the front view, top view, and side views. I would like to give one example. See, if I select point A over here on the on the on the left side, this is the left side which is drawn on right side. This is the front view, isn't it? And this is the top view. I have considered the vertical cylinder, okay, which is actually the face, one of the face is parallel to the HP, or you may kept on HP also. Then top view will be a circle, front view will be a rectangle, and left side view we can draw on the right side, and that will be also a rectangle. Now, if I say the point A is in the left side view, now how many point A are there? Very simple. One can be on your side, observer. Another can be behind the solid or behind the surface, behind the next surface, or maybe behind this. Okay. So A will be in front, but on the surface, or I will say A1, A2 will be behind the surface. So there are 2 points. So how to locate those 2 points? I will imagine one line or one scratch over here. One line or a scratch over here. Similarly, you might have taken in the intersection of solid, or I think section of solid. You have been taught section of solid in the last term, and you might have taken a vertical line. Now this vertical line, I would say a generator A1 A2. Generator A1 A2. Now there are 2 generators. One is in front of you, okay, and another is behind behind this. A1 A2 is in front of you, and another A1 A2 is behind this. So how you can locate this, or you will come to know there are 2 generators. There is a logical thing, or you can see here, this is cutting on this side and this side. Okay, that is on this side means maybe on front side, this side maybe on back side. So this will be A1 A2, because this is the front side and this is back side. That is also A1 A2, or I would say A dash, A1 dash, A2 dash. Means one generator is A1 A2 here in the front of you, this one, and behind this A1 dash, A2 dash. And on those generators, one point is A, another point is A dash. A I will consider on A1 A2, which is in front of you, okay, and another is behind your side, and that is on the A1 dash A2 dash, A1 dash A2 dash. I would consider this as A dash. So where are these points? These points will be, this is A and this will be A dash, isn't it? A and A dash. A will be on A1 A2. A dash will be on A1 dash A2 dash. Now where are these points? I will draw projectors and horizontal locus, and those will meet over here. This will be A and this will be A dash, isn't it? So these are the 2 points I can locate easily which are on the surface, isn't it? And can be on this pencil, which I have shown while explaining the compass which is being penetrated by the pencil. So this circle in the side view, circle in the side view represent circle of the pencil which is being penetrated. Or you may say that this is the drilled hole in a vertical cylinder. You consider a vertical cylinder, this is the vertical cylinder, and I have drilled a horizontal hole through this via a pencil or a drill in a workshop. Now I would locate this circle in the side view, left side view, isn't it? And I have taken this penetrated point or this point which is intersection of both the solid, means this point lie on the curved surface of the vertical cylinder as well as on the pencil on the drill hole. So what it is called as intersection of two solids. Intersection of two solids means it's a point, and locus of those points, if you can draw locus of those points and can try to draw the curves over here, okay, or the points, and can join these, you may easily locate the intersection of solid, isn't it? And those are being curved here. So I have taken initially this point A, but this is not the A. A is on the front side and A dash is on the back side, isn't it? Now the next point I would consider that suppose this point as a B, this point as a B. These are the concept only. This is the B point. Now how to locate B? There are 2 points. One is in front of you, another is behind. How it can be? Just draw generator. Just draw generator. How many generators are these? These are the 2 generators. One is here, vertical, and another is here. I will again say B1, B2, and another is B1 dash, B2 dash. Isn't it similar to A1, A2, and A1 dash, A2 dash? Now, where the B1 and B2. Okay, or I will say B and B dash. Okay, B is again here, B dash will be again here. I will draw these projectors, then here, okay, like this, B and B dash, isn't it? Now, if I take this point, see, many students get confused. This point is on the center line. See, previously I have explained that surface is going to be cut. Surface is going to be penetrated. So do not take a point on the center line. Even though this is assumed to be on a center line, don't consider it on a center line. It is on the surface, and that point actually C1 on the front surface and C2 or C and C dash. I have considered C and C dash on the front generator, which is passing parallel to this center line. Parallel to center line, not the center line. Center line is in the solid, and I have taken on the surfaces. So this will be on C1, C2. C1, C2. One will be on C1, C2, and another will be on C1 dash, C2 dash. Okay. Now again, this is not on the center line. This will be C will be here, and C dash will be here. I will not draw now C1 dash, C1, C2 generator. Okay, C1 dash, C2 dash. I will not draw these points. I will directly locate C and C dash here. Again, I will draw projectors, and these will be here, that is C, and here it will be C dash. Isn't it? Like that, you may plot each and every point on the pencil, which will be on the surface of the vertical cylinder. So what? All these are intersection points on both the cylinders, and that can be drawn easily in the front view as well as in the top view. On the top view, all these points will be lying on the curved surface, because all these points are on the curved surface. So what? All lies on the circumference of the cylinder in the top view, isn't it?